Today, we're going to create something amazing. A video that looks just like a real movie, with high quality and realistic effects. And the best part is, according to YouTube's new policy, my videos are now available in 9 different languages. When you open YouTube and play my video, simply go to Settings, Audio Track, and you'll see multiple language options. You can enjoy my video in English, French, German, Hindi, Italian, and many more voices fully translated for you. This feature is available for any channel's videos that support multiple audio tracks, so now you can watch in the language you prefer. Now, let's talk about YouTube's new monetization policy. If you upload duplicate or copied videos, those channels will not be monetized. But if you create your own original content, your channel can be monetized and grow. So focus on making your content look real, just like a film dot. So today we're going to create something amazing real and follow YouTube's new policy. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe to my channel and don't miss any part of this video because every step is important. Alright, let's get started. First, open ChatGPT. After that, paste this prompt. I will give you my YouTube description. You just need to copy and paste it. Right. Give me a short film story of 400 words. ChatGPT will create the story for you. If you want a longer story or a shorter one, just tell ChatGPT the word count you want, and it will generate it for you. Now the story is ready. Next, we will write. Please give me 10 detailed image prompts and add a big snake and a monkey in every scene. Now the prompts are ready. Next, we will create the images. Use Piclumen to create AI images. It's a very good website for making AI films, and it also gives daily credits. This is the best website. I personally use it myself. If you want to make realistic AI film images, this is the best platform. Here, I will select the size 16:9 because this is the best size for YouTube and most people use it. Now, I just copy the ChatGPT prompt, paste it here, and start creating images. You can see how amazing and realistic the images look. In the same way, I keep pasting prompts one by one to create more images. Why use Piclumen? Piclumen is a next-generation platform that empowers creators to produce cinematic films with stunning realism. With its advanced tools, you can craft high-quality visuals, breathtaking effects, and immersive stories that feel just like the big screen. Built to give every project a professional edge, Piclumen ensures smooth transitions, dramatic impact, and true movie-like quality. Whether you're a filmmaker, digital creator, or storyteller, Piclumen is the ultimate tool to transform your imagination into reality. Now, all the images are ready. I will number them according to my prompts. For example, the first prompt image will be saved as Pic0, the second as Pic02, and so on. This numbering makes it easier when we create AI videos later, because we can place each image in the correct order without any confuse your next. We will create the AI voice. For this, we will use 2 websites. The first website is levoice.com. It's a very good platform. I open it, then copy a part of my ChatGPT prompt and paste it here. On this website, you can see many free voices available. You just select one voice and it will generate your AI voice. Now my AI voice. Complete, and you can see how amazing it looks with the voice added. The second website for creating free AI voices is OpenAI TTS. This is also a very good website, and the voice quality is excellent. Here, I paste my prompt, then select the voice, for example, Tom's voice. After that, I click on Create Speech, and the AI voice is generated. You can listen to it yourself. It sounds really great. This
giant snake and a colossal giant monkey are locked in an intense battle on a wide city.
Is truly one of the best websites for free AI voices. For creating AI videos, I will use 3 different websites. With these websites, you can make AI videos every day. By using them, you can easily create one AI video daily without any problem. The first website is Dejan.ai, and it is a really amazing platform for creating AI videos. When you sign up, it gives you 300 free credits, which are enough to make about 10 videos. After that, it also provides daily credits, so you can keep creating AI videos easily. Right now, my account has more than 3,200 credits because I've been logging in for many days. That's why I can make a lot of videos without any issue. The best part is, even if you don't use Dejan.ai every day, it still gives you credits automatically, just like in my account. This makes Dejan.ai one of the best websites for anyone who wants to create AI videos regularly. Now we will create an AI video on this website. It's a very good platform. First, I click on Create, then go to Upload and upload my first image. After that, I paste the prompt for image 1 and click on Generate. The video creation will start. In the same way, I upload the second image, paste its prompt, and click Generate again. Step by step, the video keeps building. It takes a little time, but you can easily create a video of 10 to 15 minutes on this website. The second website we will use for making videos is Magicand.ai. It is a very good platform for creating AI videos, and it gives you 500 free credits. One of the best features of this website is that it can even generate videos up to 10 seconds long. Personally, I usually create videos of about 7 seconds. I just write my prompt, click on Generate, and after a short time the video starts rendering. Once it's ready, you can see how amazing and high quality the video looks, even though it takes a little while to process. The third website for making AI videos for free is Via.com. This is also a very good platform, and it creates AI videos in a very impressive way. To use it, simply go to the Image to Video option, upload your image, then paste your prompt. After that, the video generation will start automatically. In just a short time, you can see your video ready with great results. Via.com is an excellent AI-powered website that helps creators bring their ideas to life with ease. It provides smart tools for generating professional visuals, creative content, and high-quality projects. Whether you are a filmmaker, digital artist, or storyteller, Via.com makes your work faster, smarter, and more impactful. Now the AI videos have been created on all the websites, and you can see the results are really amazing. After finishing, I simply save all the videos to my device so that I can use them later. For the final step, I will use CapCut to edit my video. CapCut is a great software for video editing. It's free, very easy to use, and comes with powerful features like filters, effects, music, and smooth transitions. It's perfect for both beginners and professionals. Here, I add my video, apply some effects, and now my video is fully ready. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions related to this video, feel free to leave a comment. I'll reply to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more amazing tutorials. Next time, I'll bring another new method for you. Thanks for watching.